Hello everyone, welcome to Vinray's Academy. This is Vinay. Welcome back to the first video in our Cybersecurity Testing Series, Introduction to Cybersecurity Testing. In today's world, cybersecurity is no longer optional. It's a necessity. With cyber threats evolving every day, ensuring that applications, networks, and systems are secure has become one of the biggest challenges in software development. This video will introduce you to the basics of cybersecurity testing, why it matters, and how security testing fits into the overall software development lifecycle. By the end of this video, you will understand 1. What cybersecurity testing is and why it is essential. 2. The different types of cyber threats that organizations face today. 3. The role of a security tester and how it differs from traditional QA testing. 4th, key security principles such as confidentiality, integrity, and availability, CIA. 5. The common types of security testing methods used in the industry. Let's dive into the world of cybersecurity testing. Cybersecurity testing is the practice of evaluating applications, networks, and systems for vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers. It is a crucial step in ensuring that software products are resistant to cyber threats. Imagine you are building a house. You wouldn't just build it and assume it's safe. You would install locks, test the doors, and maybe even hire security experts to check for weak spots. Similarly, cybersecurity testing ensures that software applications and IT infrastructures have no weak points that hackers can exploit. Cybersecurity testing involves identifying vulnerabilities before attackers do, assessing the security of web applications, mobile apps, APIs, and networks, preventing data breaches by fixing security gaps, ensuring compliance with security standards and best practices. Without proper security testing, applications are vulnerable to attacks such as data theft, unauthorized access, and service disruptions, which can cost businesses millions of dollars in damages. In today's digital age, cyber threats are more advanced and frequent than ever before. Every year, organizations lose billions of dollars due to cyber attacks. Here are a few reasons why cybersecurity testing is critical. 1. Protecting sensitive data. Data breaches expose personal and financial information, leading to fraud and identity theft. Security testing ensures sensitive data remains protected. 2. Preventing financial loss. Cyber attacks can cause significant financial damage through ransomware attacks, stolen funds, and legal penalties. Companies that fail to secure their applications often face lawsuits and regulatory fines. 3. Maintaining customer trust. If a company suffers a security breach, customers may lose trust and take their business elsewhere. Cybersecurity testing helps prevent breaches and maintains a company's reputation. 4. Ensuring compliance. Many industries have strict security regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO 27001. Security testing ensures businesses meet compliance requirements, avoiding legal trouble. 5. Minimizing downtime. Attacks like distributed denial of service, DDoS, can bring down websites and applications, resulting in revenue loss and disruption. Security testing helps prevent such attacks. These factors highlight why cybersecurity testing should be a top priority for businesses of all sizes. Before diving deeper into security testing techniques, let's first understand the most common types of cyber threats that organizations face. 1. Malware attacks. Malicious software, such as viruses, worms, and ransomware, can compromise systems and steal data. 2. Phishing attacks. Cybercriminals trick users into revealing sensitive information by sending fake emails or messages that appear legitimate. 3-point SQL injection. Attackers manipulate database queries to gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. 4. Cross-site scripting, XSS. Hackers inject malicious scripts into web pages to steal user data. 5. Man-in-the-middle MITM attacks. Cybercriminals intercept communications between two parties, allowing them to steal login credentials and other private information. 6. Denial of service DOS and distributed denial of service DDoS attacks. Attackers flood a system with traffic, causing it to crash and become unavailable. Each of these threats can have serious consequences if not addressed through proper security measures and testing. So, what exactly does a cybersecurity tester do? How is their role different from traditional QA testers? A cybersecurity tester, also known as a security analyst or penetration tester, focuses on identifying and fixing vulnerabilities in software applications and IT systems. Their responsibilities include conducting vulnerability assessments to identify weaknesses, performing penetration testing, ethical hacking to simulate real world attacks, ensuring security best practices are followed in the software development lifecycle, collaborating with developers to fix security flaws before release, documenting findings, and providing security recommendations. Unlike traditional software testers who focus on functionality and performance, cybersecurity testers focus on security risks, data protection, and system resilience against attacks. One of the foundational concepts in cybersecurity is the CIA Triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. 1. Confidentiality, ensuring that sensitive data is accessible only to authorized users. For example, encryption is used to protect confidential data from unauthorized access. 2. Integrity, ensuring that data is accurate and has not been tampered with. For example, digital signatures verify that a document has not been altered. 3. Availability, ensuring that systems and data are available when needed. For example, backup systems and redundancy prevent downtime during cyber attacks. Understanding and applying these principles is essential for building secure applications. There are several types of security testing techniques used by professionals to identify and fix vulnerabilities. 1. Vulnerability assessment, scanning systems and applications to identify known security weaknesses. 2. Penetration testing, ethical hacking, simulating real cyber attacks to uncover security flaws before hackers do. Third, security code review, manually analyzing source code to identify potential vulnerabilities. Fourth, API security testing, testing APIs for authentication flaws, data leaks, and access control issues. 5. Network security testing, assessing the security of firewalls, servers, and network devices. 6. Mobile application security testing, identifying security risks in iOS and Android apps. These security tests play a crucial role in strengthening the overall defense of an application or system. In this video, we covered the basics of cybersecurity testing and why it is essential in today's digital world. Key takeaways from this session: cybersecurity testing ensures that applications are protected from hackers. Common threats include malware, phishing, SQL injection, and DDoS attacks. The CIA Triad, confidentiality, integrity, availability, forms the foundation of security. Different types of security testing techniques help identify vulnerabilities before attackers do. In the next video, we'll explore the types of security testing in more detail and discuss their real-world applications. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos in our cybersecurity testing series.